here at Bharat Techs 2026, where the finest minds and designs have all come together, and I'm standing here right under one of them. It is the Trident Group, with the theme this year around is Expression of Living. It goes on to say that where every space mirrors a personality. This time around, the Trident Group has given out some immersive designs which reflects one's personality. So let's get inside and dive into all the new creations that the Trident Group has brought.
We are a manufacturing organization. We are among the world few largest players in home textiles, right from interior spinning to the branded product off the shelf. And we develop a lot of in-house brands, and I must say the skills, capabilities and competencies of Indian innovators, Indian artists has been very well liked globally.
It's a wonderful platform for everyone, big, small, doesn't matter. I think the way the government, the way the organizers, the way the entire network's gotten together for the last 3 years and actually built a great image for the country, image for textiles as a space, and really helped everyone, get together on the same platform, be on a level playing field, and be out there for the market, for the consumer, whether it's Indian, whether it's global. So I think it's a great time to be in Indian textiles, great time to be an Indian manufacturer of textiles, and a great place to build a brand in India.
My Trident has always wanted to give the best to the consumer, whether it's quality, whether it's design, whether it's their entire feel and experience, and I think this is what's once again we've replicated here. I think in terms of designs, we have sort of tried to get a lot more of the Indian culture into our designs, a lot more of the abstracts, geometrics. We've also had a tie-up with 2 of the leading designers of the country and get their kitsch and their maximalism into the collection. As far as our towel range is concerned, we've tried to launch very high premium quality towels in terms of Egyptian towels, Supima towels. If you look at the bed sheet over here, there's really like the aesthetic over here.
This also brings Turani's creativity out there, for especially in linen and bed sheets, something that we've not seen before.
Yeah, so Karan is eccentric, he's very maximalist, he's very kitsch, and we as a brand have always been a little conservative. So this just adds that extra oomph that our brand has been needing, and for Karan also it's an extension into the whole home furnishings piece. So I think it's turned out well. Indian crafts, I think, are one of the finest anywhere in the world, and we try and have that in our collections at all times. I think this collection is now season 7. I often say that people now ask for Sanskriti bed sheets, not My Trident bed sheets, because this is a brand in itself. If you look at it, this is Patta Chitra, we'll have a Fulkari sometime, we'll have Madhubani in one of the collections. So this is inspired by Ramayan, so you'll have Shabri, you'll have Dhanush, Lanka, Ayodhya, so very like intricate Indian patterns. This personally is my favorite. This is the Kalakriti collection. So very fine art forms through the times, from Renaissance to now.
With My Trident, one thing which automatically comes is affordable luxury. So everyone wants an international quality, and we have been known for our technology. And I think that technology we are getting in India at a very competitive price. I think in a few years, the way Indian government is supporting it, it might become the world's largest show. And the best part is that anything and anyone who has to do anything with textiles is here. Whether he is a manufacturer, whether he is a distributor, whether he is a retailer, whether it's a vendor or a manufacturer or a supplier of machinery. So everyone gets an opportunity to come together and network and talk about what good things they can get to the Indian consumers.
Indian textile industry is getting a huge boom with Bharat Techs, and on top of this game, at the helm of affairs is the Trident Group. Because this time around, the Trident Group has come out with different variations which not just reflects one's personality, because the theme is of course the expression of living, but it also has come out with some creative collaborations like Shivan and Naresh and even Torani, something that no other brand has done so far, and it also caters to different kind of customers. Like the Trident Group puts it across that India today is not just a market of cheap labor, but with BharatEx, with the Trident Group and with the vision that the Trident Group has, India is also perhaps emerging as a booming economy, a market where Indian textiles now go abroad.